You can write prompts in multiple messages inside of Microsoft Copilot to make it easy as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, summarize the content in bullet points for the content I will send in the next message right here, just like this. So I can simply go around and say this right here, summarize the content that I am in bullet points. And you can see that I said next message, so it says certainly please go ahead and share the content you'd like to summarize. I'll create a concise bullet point to summarize for you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this supercomputer's text right here from Wikipedia, and then I'm simply going to go around and paste it out right here. So once I go around and do that, over here you can see that it shows a definition over here. It said certainly supercomputers are fascinating machines right here, and it gives different things right here, and even gave much more examples, as you can see right here. So let's say I just want it to summarize the points right here. I'm just going to go around and say just summarize the points in the given text, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and do that, and then what happens is that it simply goes around and displays this out, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and then utilize multi-message prompts and say that you're going to give some content in the next message, so that it is much more managed while you're writing prompts in Microsoft Copilot. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.